Ugh, I may have to make these two Mario from last fucking thing. Ugh. You can toy around all you want. But I've been learning all over here on some food that's Crusader for years. Very nice, and a stupid little you promised me a power. Well, and now I'm lacking. Could you better? Sounds like a yo. Really could you? And with a little reminder of who you're talking to. And I'm Mr. Woman. I mean, plumber. Oh, yes, and now. I'm there with you fairly. I have been patient it through. Mamma there, my dear. You're in my zoo, not a your fire. You are my pet. I say, what do you sit or stay? Roll over on the say, I will go fast, not that you forget. Not to know it out. You're a better lot till your account. I have served you faithful for an age. Would wait the man, the Catherine my age. Without the news on your behalf, and you're so kind, and the answer that you mean I deserve here. My name expires as much as I fear. The least that you could do is fix my staff in a due time. Sing along, dear. You know the words, don't you forget. I won't forget. You are my pet. You're since we met. I say we went to sit and stay. Play your bar, just up your dead. Don't you forget, I'm in your net. The coop can be flowed. The fuck does that mean? I was not yet. The moves that you make are mine alone. Looks like you all have to do with this on your own, my own. Fine. Why the fuck do I have to make these two fucking Mario? I don't fucking know.